What's life without nature? What's life without the fragrance of the roses, lilies, jasmines? What's life without the bliss of the morning breeze, sunrise, sunsets, twinkling stars, moon? What's life without the sweetest smell of the soil born out of raindrops? What's life without the music of the water flow, birds? What's life without the dance of trees, the taste of its fruits? What is life without the magics and miracles of the cutest animals? Every bit of nature is love created in various forms of life, which fills our hearts with emotions of greatness, love, bliss, glory, peace, whatnot. Can we experience the greatness of life without nature? So love nature, let it live forever, as without nature we can't live. Don't tell the world to do anything, they won't. You do it, then the people would automatically do it, as people believe what they see, so they do what they see. This universe wants people who do, not who say. That's why Mahatma said, you be the change that you want to see, so that you would create belief, and that belief is the source of all creation. One such greatness who wanted to show this world by being a performer is Mr. Jadav Molai Payeng. Jadav belongs to Assam, India. He lives in a small hut in the forest. He is accompanied by his wife and 3 children. He has cattle and buffaloes. He sells the milk for his livelihood. In 1979, when Jadav was 16 years of age, he saw a large number of snakes pushed into a treeless area due to floods, and all the snakes died due to excessive heat, as it was a treeless sandbar. This incident shook Jadav, and he immediately planted 20 saplings of bamboo to provide shelter for them. Later, in the same year, government introduced a scheme to plant trees in 200 hectares of land in Jorhat district, and Jadav worked as a laborer in the project. It went on for 5 years. After completion of the project, every other worker left the place, but Jadav continued to plant more and more trees on his own and started taking care of them slowly, transforming that area into a thick, dense forest. Once a sandbar, now became a beautiful, green, dense forest. Now, the forest is named after him as Molai Forest. This Molai Forest today is a house for Bengal tigers, Indian rhinoceros, deers, rabbits, monkeys, and innumerable number of birds, including large number of vultures. Now, there are several thousands of trees belonging to various species. He has developed only bamboo cover in over 300 hectares of land. A herd of elephants, around 100, regularly visit the forest every year and generally stay for over 6 months. They even gave birth to many baby elephants here. Unexpectedly, some forest officials visited the place, as they had a complaint from the nearby village that a herd of elephants were damaging their properties. On reaching the place, they were surprised to see such a large dense forest exposing this wonderful place to the world. And from then, JADHAV became popular. Molai played a very active role to protect wild animals from poachers who tried to kill them in the forest. When nearby village people tried to cut the trees to protect their cows and buffaloes from wild animals, Molai did not allow them. He said, "You have to cut me first before you cut the trees." Molai lost hundreds of his cows and buffaloes to forest wild animals, but he did not blame them. Instead, he says it's because of the people who took up large-scale encroachments and destruction. This shows how much he loved animals. Now the forest cover occupies an area of 1,360 acres or over 550 hectares. He is spreading his work to the other side of Brahmaputra river also. He is bringing awareness in people about the importance of forest cover, dedicating his entire life in planting trees. He has a collection of some wonderful ideas in planting trees. He once said that he would keep planting trees till his last breath, exhibiting his utmost love for the nature. He was awarded Padma Shree in 2015. Abdul Kalam appreciated him as the forest man of India. He won the hearts of everyone and received many awards and rewards. Many documentaries and children books were made based on his story. What a greatness it is to become the creator of the creation, giving life to life. Thank you, JADHAV. You showed a path. The world would follow it. So love nature. Let it live. Let it live forever. As without nature, we can't live. Thanks a lot. Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venu Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.